Hey everyone, a lot of you ask me about a free and unlimited VPN. So in this video, I'll show you how to get one with over 530 servers worldwide for fast and reliable connections. For the past few years, I've been using VPN proxy. It's good, fast, and reliable. But recently, I came across another great alternative, and I thought I should share it with you. Just open your browser and search for 1Click VPN. Make sure to visit the official site 1clickvpn.com. On the official website, you will see all the documentation provided to help you understand everything you need to know about this VPN. At the bottom of the site, you will also see download links for Microsoft Edge, Android, and Chrome browsers. Desktop apps for Windows and macOS will be available soon. Since most of our work is done on web browsers, the extension should be fine. Since I use a Chromium-based browser, I'll grab the Chrome version from the web store. Just click Add to Chrome, in my case it's Brave. After installation, you can pin the extension for quick access. The first time you open it, it'll ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Don't worry, it's optional. You can decline. It may also ask you to disable some incompatible extensions, which is the only downside I noticed, since it can turn off useful ones like IDM or other VPN extensions. In the settings, you'll find options like ad blocking, malicious site protection, and WebRTC protection. These require accepting the terms, but since I don't need them, I simply declined. Now, let's test it. I'll select a country for VPN connection. Let's go for Germany, for example. And as you can see, the connection is super quick. Honestly, it's pretty amazing that a free VPN can offer such a reliable connection. To double check, you can verify your IP address at whatismyipaddress.com. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.